The luminous limelight, my philodendron lemon lime FAQs. They call me Ferb Vu, and the philodendron lemon lime is one of my favorite houseplants. Its vibrant, lime green foliage adds a burst of life to any space, and its easygoing nature makes it perfect for busy plant parents like myself. Over the years, I've fielded a lot of questions about this stunning philodendron. So, I decided to compile a little FAQ to share my experience and help you cultivate your own citrusy dream. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How much light does my philodendron lemon lime need? This philodendron thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through leaves, that's the sweet spot. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the delicate leaves. If your home leans dark, don't despair. A strategically placed grow light can work wonders. How often should I water philodendron my lemon lime? The key to watering your lemon lime is finding the balance between thirsty and soggy. Let the top inch of soil dry out completely between waterings. Stick your finger in the pot. If it feels dry, it's watering time. Overwatering is a common philodendron killer, so err on the side of underwatering. Is it time for a pot upgrade? Your lemon lime will eventually outgrow its nursery pot. Signs like stunted growth and roots circling the pot at the drainage hole indicate repotting time. Choose a pot that's just a couple of inches larger in diameter than the current one. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for aroids like philodendrons. Lemon lime philodendron versus neon pothos. Both the lemon lime and neon pothos are popular houseplants with similar, bright green foliage. But there are key differences. The lemon lime boasts larger, heart-shaped leaves, while the neon pothos has smaller, elongated ones. The lemon lime also tends to climb readily, whereas the pothos is more of a trailer. Light-wise, the lemon lime tolerates lower light levels compared to the pothos, which prefers brighter conditions. Philodendron lemon lime versus Moonlight. My lemon lime is a cascading party animal. Its heart-shaped leaves, in various shades of lime and yellow, love to sprawl wherever I let them. It's constantly putting out new growth, making it perfect for hanging baskets or letting it climb a moss pole. Philodendron Moonlight, on the other hand, feels much more sophisticated. Its elongated, thicker leaves have a bolder, almost neon lime hue, and it grows in a more upright fashion. It thrives in a pot on my bookshelf, adding a pop of color without taking over the whole space. Golden Goddess Philodendron versus Lemon Lime. These two can be real tricksters. My Golden Goddess is like a living highlighter. The neon chartreuse leaves are stunning, but it can be a bit finicky about light. Too much sun and it gets bleached, too little and it loses its vibrancy. The lemon lime, in comparison, is a trooper. It seems happy with most indirect sunlight situations and its color variation adds a touch of whimsy. While the Golden Goddess is undeniably eye-catching, the lemon lime's easygoing nature wins me over. Lemon lime philodendron versus Brasil. Both these philodendrons are vine-happy, but their personalities are quite different. My lemon lime, as I mentioned before, is a charmer. Its cascading lime and yellow leaves add a touch of whimsy to any spot. Philodendron Brasil, however, is the life of the party. Its neon green leaves splashed with yellow variegation practically scream for attention. It grows even faster than my lemon lime, and I find myself constantly training it up a moss pole to keep it from taking over. While I love them both, the lemon lime's manageable size and softer colors make it a better fit for my living space. Climbing high, encouraging my lemon lime to climb. If you want your lemon lime to climb and sprawl, provide it with support. A moss pole is a classic choice. You can also train it to climb a trellis or a curtain rod. Here's a pro tip: secure the aerial roots, those wispy things that emerge from the stems, to the support as they grow. This will encourage the plant to climb upwards. Common concerns: troubleshooting your lemon lime. Droopy leaves, this could be a sign of underwatering or overwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering habits accordingly. Browning leaves, this usually indicates underwatering. Give your plant a thorough soaking and adjust your watering schedule. Yellowing leaves, this can be caused by several factors, including lack of light, overwatering, or nutrient deficiency. Rule out the first two possibilities, and if necessary, Consider feeding your plant a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month during the growing season. Pesty problems, keeping pests at bay. The good news is that the lemon lime is relatively pest resistant. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs, which appear as cottony white clusters on the leaves. You can remove them with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Final thoughts: the joy of the lemon lime. The Philodendron lemon lime is a true gem of a houseplant. Its vibrant foliage and easygoing nature make it a perfect addition to any home. With a little TLC, you can enjoy this stunning philodendron for years to come. Remember, consistent watering, bright indirect light, and well-draining soil are the keys to a happy lemon lime. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the luminous limelight in your home.